Is it possible to create 3D icon gear by using Adobe Illustrator? Of course yes, possible and quite easy. Without wasting your time, let's jump into the tutorial. Before we proceed, my lovely viewers, if you have any kind of query, just feel free to leave a comment. I am available. Go to take the star tool and simply click and put these points. Radius 1 25 pixel and radius 2 50 pixel and points 15. Just okay. Now viewers, simply just turn off the fill and give it a stroke and then press the Alt plus Shift key and just scale it. And then click on the direct selection tool and just drag the corner handle to the below. It will make a round shape. And hold Alt key to make 2 more copies. Hold Alt plus Shift key and just draw the circle on the center. And now press Ctrl plus C to make a copy and then press Ctrl plus F to bring it front, and now hold Alt plus Shift to make it a little scale to decrease. And why we use Alt plus Shift? Because we make a perfect round circle. And now we repeat this process 2 times more and also for others. And now take the selection tool, select all and take the shape below to and make 3 shapes, and just then hold Alt key, remove the center. Simply coloring the gear and just remove the stroke and give it a fill of gray color and click on the middle one and remove the stroke. Give it a light blue, sky blue color and click the lower one and give it a black color and remove the stroke. Drag to select all, go to object, click on group and then click on the 3D material icon. If you don't find the 3D material icon on the corner on this side, so simply go to click on the effect and choose the 3D and material option. And then click on the extrude and change the depth to 45 point and come to the below and change the bevel. Click on the bevel option and change the word to 43%, just decrease it, and also change the height to 37%. And then click on the material and find the roughness and make it 0 and increase the material to the a little more 49 and something. And then now click on the lightning option and just change the lightning and come to the below and increase the intensity and then decrease the duration and increase the height and increase the softness and then just increase a little intensity. I told you before it was quite easy, and now you can check this. And now we are going to make 2 more 3D gear for your practice, and as we know that practice makes perfect, so I want you to be perfect. The process is same and we repeat the same process as we made the previous one, so simply calm down and watch it carefully, very carefully. If you have any kind of queries, and don't hesitate to leave a comment, so I'm available anytime and I provide my best for you. You are watching ZA Academy tutorials and hope you learn many things from it. So you are humbly requested to please subscribe ZA Academy and thumbs up and leave your comment, your thoughts, your feedbacks. So it will help me to create more creative and more better content for you people. So stay blessed and stay happy. Take care of yourself. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial.